Diwali, we're going to make water lamps. So it'll be so beautiful, and then we can do something good. Okay, let's try that out. Take some glasses or some balls according to your wish. You can spread some flowers or beads, whatever you have in the home. Water. Add your favorite color to the water. Video. When you're done with folding the paper, cut it with round shapes. Like in the video. Cutting the papers, adjust the wicks. Add some spray to the water. Pour some oil slowly. The wax paper on the water. Now lighten the wick. There's a small note. When you want the fire much longer, you have to put more oil.